Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage influencer marketing with Instagram, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your influencer marketing goals. Identify the specific outcomes you want to achieve. Consider metrics such as brand awareness, increased sales, or engagement rates. Next, determine your target audience. Understand their demographics, interests, and online behavior. This will help you choose influencers that resonate with your audience. Research potential influencers on Instagram. Look for individuals whose values align with your brand. Check their follower count, engagement rate, and post frequency. Evaluate the authenticity of their engagement. Analyze comments and interactions to ensure they attract a genuine audience. Reach out to shortlisted influencers. Craft personalized messages that explain why you want to collaborate. Be clear about your goals and expectations. Once you receive responses, initiate discussions about deliverables. Discuss post types, timelines, and compensation. Create a campaign brief for selected influencers. Outline key messages, brand guidelines, and visual style. Ensure influencers have the freedom to maintain their authentic voice. Collaborate closely throughout the campaign development. Offer assistance and insights but avoid micromanaging. Launch the influencer campaign on Instagram. Monitor the content being published to ensure alignment with your brand. Track engagement and performance metrics using Instagram Insights. Respond to comments and engage with the audience during the campaign. After the campaign ends, evaluate its success. Analyze results against the initial goals set. Gather feedback from influencers about their experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.